the left, and or you can say it's roughly symmetric. I'll take either. The spread was what? 30. And what else?
Mode.
Mode is
90.
90. Okay. On C, the only thing I want you to write there is that's bimodal, so that's a clear example. I don't want you to work through the whole thing. Just know that that's what I mean by two peaks. All right. You can check your understanding now. That one, let's go ahead and do it, the whole thing. Let's do the mean and the mode. That's actually, and the median. Let's actually calculate it.
Or check your understanding.
Check your understanding. You see it at the bottom. You'll see those in your book, and you don't have the answers for them, so they're not that easy to check unless I'm helping you.
The one on the bottom, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
check your understanding. This is fathom.plot. That means, like Minitab, this is a statistical software. So here is another word, is fathom.plot. You'll never have to pull one up yourself and make one yourself. It's always given to you. Our job this year is to read them. So, looks like we have a clear skew. What did you say?
Can you have more than one outlier?
Yes.
Skewed right.
It is. Skewed right. Skied right.
And we're doing all the...
Yes.
I didn't get an outlier, did you?
I'd say
There's
5 and
two.
6 are optional. Like, it could possibly be out of the regular pattern. So you can say none, you can say 5, you can say 5 and 6. So at this point, with outliers, it's sort of your opinion. Again, we'll get more
Okay.
precise another day.
I'm saying 5, 6
All right,
kinda,
are
I
you
guess.
going to calculate now the actual?
Did you get 1 or 2 for the median? I think I got 2.
I said 1.
How many
for the
ones
median?
are
Wait.
there?
Oh, I didn't.
Looks like someone was trying to count them. They have little tick marks next to them. I actually enlarged this. Maybe it's better in your book.
How much can you round?
Like 1 decimal will be good. It's a little easier to read on page 31 if you want to look at it. All right, anyone got a median or anyone line them up in order and get the median? How many dots are
I'm
there?
getting ready. There's
The median's not.
28 total. So,
28?
yeah.
All right, so you want to count to dot 14 from one side or the other?
Wait, I'm sorry. For the mean, what are you dividing by? The whole, there's 28 dots.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
by 28.
So wait,
28
what divided by 28?
The
What am I-
values. So you're going to have to get 3 values of 0, and how many values
Oh, I
of 1?
forgot 2, so that's fine.
How many are worth 1? Did you count that stack?
1, 2, 3.
I can't even
There's
do
11 ones.
11 ones, so
and
that's
9 twos.
that's 11, and then 18
Oh,
would be the
okay.
value for the 9 twos. I can see the next one, 3. 3 threes is 9, and 1 5 and 1 6. So add those all up, those numbers, those values, and divide by, what'd you say, 19?
28.
No, that was off.
For the
28
range, do you go the furthest that is in the graph or the furthest that there's points?
points. All right, so what kind of, when you added up the values and divided by the number of points, what did you get?
1.9.
Anyone?
1.8.
1.8?
I got
I got 1.8.
1.857. So.
I got 1.75.
All right, you're close, you're all very close, so go ahead and mark the mean as somewhere around 1.7. And what about when you line them up and you're doing the median? Anyone do that yet?
You got 2?
Is that
2?
in
Between
between
1 and 2.
What because you're gonna count, you're gonna have like 0, 0, 0.
So it's
How
3
many
divided
ones
by
did we
11
say?
ones.
And how many
Yeah, it's in between
3s,
1 and
I mean
2.
2s?
9 twos.
3 threes.
and then a 5 and a 6.
No,
There's
three
three
threes.
threes.
3 threes
And
and then
3
5 6.
threes and a 5 and a 6. So which one is exactly in the middle? It's not gonna be between two, is it?
Yeah.
It is.
It's
It's
if
between
it's
the
an
last
even number,
one and
it's
the
gonna be
first two.
between two.
Yeah, but the two are the
It's a
same.
between a 2 and a 1. Yeah, there's
Yeah.
49 tick marks.
The two are the same.
Wait.
I'm
It's
doing it.
No, there's
here.
28.
It's 28 tick marks.
I mean,
So it'd be between numbers 14
You said
and 15.
48.
Oh, it was between
So
1 and
40.
2,
I
wasn't
was
it?
doing the add.
Alright, I'm sorry. I thought it was gonna be
My bad.
between 2 and 2. So right in between, we have to average between 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 1.5.
Round up.
Alright, so 1.5 is the median, and the mode is the quickest. It is 1. So that's the center. The spread from 0 to 6 is 6, and that's all we need to talk about for that one. Alright, for the time that remains, I may not get finished, but what I will do is let you'll read it and be able to do the rest of these. We don't need to do anything with set D, but we're going to learn a new kind of graph before we leave, and it's called a stem leaf plot.
I don't like those.
You know,
Yeah.
stem leaf. They're not so bad. Alright, stem leaf. Alright, so I'm not doing anything with graph D. I'm down at the bottom on the back. So recording student, show Shannon.
What's your sort of
Yeah, is it still recording? Could've went
That's
out
not what we're
batteries.
doing, Andrew. We're not doing D.
We're doing these numbers.
Yeah, we're doing the numbers
Sorry.
at the bottom. Okay.
Can't forget, sorry.
Alright, you see these, it's just raw data, it doesn't have any meaning, but I'm gonna give it a lot of meaning and show you a new kind of plot. You could make a dot plot out of this, but I'm showing you another option. It's called the stem leaf. Alright, let's title this group of data. I'm titling the group that starts with the number 50. I'm ignoring the other set. And what this is number of pairs of shoes. So some ladies were asked, how many pairs of shoes do you own? And this is the numbers that were recorded.
49.
50 pairs of shoes is not that much when you think of bedroom slippers, roller skates, boots, dress shoes.
I would say
I probably have maybe
I'd say probably like
25 of
20.
everything. I probably
It's
don't
probably
have 50,
15.
but
I only
I
have
think
4
solid
pairs of
level and
shoes.
wear
Same,
solid
right? I don't
five.
think
Yeah.
I don't.
but
But
I'm
I
talking
might
about-
wear like
You have a lot of
them
shoes, dude.
one
I think I have
So
like
have
20.
to keep them.
I have
I
a
have
shoes.
2 shoes, I have 10 shoes, and I have
All
2
right,
basketball shoes.
so-
I have 4 pairs of shoes.
Title this, women, how many pairs of shoes do you have? It's probably clear that this other one is men. How many pairs of shoes do you have?
It's clear.
38.
Some
men
are really intensive with their shoes.
Seven.
You go home and count your shoes, you'll be amazed
I
at
have
how
6.
many.
I probably have I have a lot.
You gotta
Wait,
think
I
of
take it back.
boots, you gotta think of
I have a lot of basketball shoes.
slippers,
That's 5.
you
6.
gotta think of
Flip-flops,
all kinds of
sandals.
shoes.
6.
Oh yeah, I've got more than 30. Not enough.
Or boots. Your
Everyone should
clothes.
go home
And your mom almost bought you Sanooks.
It's pairs of
Boardwalk.
shoes.
She did get
Okay.
snacks.
Let's see how many.
Did you actually get them?
Haley,
I cannot
if you were
afford
just
that.
your shoes to
I was
read
with
the odd
them.
numbers.
I got them from a different store and they're actually cheaper there.
Which
Alright,
one?
we're gonna do a stem plot. How many minutes do we have left? About
Fish
10 or
stems?
less?
Last
11, 16? Yeah, we
back
got
clocks,
10.
back clocks.
Oh yeah, it's way off. You're
It's
right.
11, 12.
It's 11,
Okay,
11.
maybe 5.
Alright,
5
then
minutes.
the thing should be.
Alright, let's
the
do
thing
a
should literally
stem
go
leaf
off
plot
I
and
know.
that'll put you in a good position to do your assignment. Alright, to do that, first of all, we have to establish the stem. So I'm going to put a line